Hi everyone, welcome back to channel T3P. Today we are going to talk about Azure OpenAI, that is a cloud-based platform for artificial intelligence. So what exactly the Azure OpenAI is? It's a partnership between Microsoft's cloud platform, that is Azure, and OpenAI, that is the leader in AI research and development. So this platform provides the infrastructure and tools which is required to develop and deploy AI models, and it make it easier for organizations of all sizes to take advantage of power of artificial intelligence. So let's take a look at some of the key benefits of Azure OpenAI. First, it's incredibly easy to use. Azure OpenAI eliminates the need for complex and time-consuming setup and configuration and make it possible for you to develop and deploy artificial intelligence model quickly and easily. Second, it's a highly scalable. That means with Azure OpenAI, you can scale your AI models and applications to accommodate growing demand without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Third, it integrates seamlessly with other Azure services such as Azure Machine Learning, Azure Databricks, and Azure Cognitive Services to provide a comprehensive AI solution. And the last but not the least, it's cost effective. That means Azure OpenAI provides an affordably way to develop and deploy AI models, making it accessible to organizations of all sizes. Now let's take a look at some of the features of Azure OpenAI. So Azure OpenAI offers a range of machine learning services, including supervised and unsupervised learning, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. In addition to these, it provides computer vision services such as image recognition, object detection, and image segmentation. If we'll talk about in terms of natural language processing services, it includes sentiment analysis, language translation, and text summarization. And finally, it offers robotics services including motion planning, control, and simulation. So how do you get started with Azure OpenAI? First, you will need an Azure subscription. If you don't have, then you can sign up for free trial and you can start your journey with Azure OpenAI. Next, you will need to create an Azure OpenAI workspace. That you can do this by logging into the Azure portal, and you can navigate to the Azure OpenAI workspace blade. From there, follow the steps to create a new workspace for you. Once you have created your workspace, you can deploy an AI model by following the steps in the Azure OpenAI documentation. So you just need to go through those documents step by step and you can start building your AI model. Finally, you can test your AI model by sending it sample data and evaluating its result. And you can also use Azure OpenAI's monitoring and logging features to monitor your models performance and troubleshoot any issues that occurs. So finally, Azure OpenAI is a comprehensive AI platform that makes it easier to develop and deploy AI models. So with its easy of use, scalability, integration with Azure, and cost effectiveness, Azure OpenAI is a valuable tool for your organization of all sizes that want to take advantage of the power of AI. Not only for your organization, but also it's very beneficial for you as well as in terms of career growth. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more AI related content in future. See you in next video. Happy learning.